Hi guys, this is Bhaskar, and in this video I'm going to show you a scenario from SSIS. The scenario is we have an Excel source and that needs to be loaded into the relational table. It's not so simple, okay? But but to load from Excel to the relational table it's simple, but we have one more condition here. That is the Excel source is just shown below in the ABC. It's in a single column. Okay, let me show you the source. Before that, and the data should be loaded into the destination table as shown below. So this is how the data should be splitted into the destination table. So how this can be achieved? Okay, so this is a data which is present in the Excel sheet. Okay, I've already opened the solution here. Let me create OLEDB connections to load the data into the destination. Selecting OK. Excel connection. The file is in the source folder. Okay. Just renaming that. Take a DFT task. Give some meaningful name to that. Select the source, Excel source. And this Excel source, we have already created connection. You can just map it to that. So our data is in first table access data. This is a column. Okay. So what we need the output is we require that comma separated into different columns. Okay. So this can be achieved using the derived call transformations. We're going to apply that. So in the derived column, what I'm going to do, I have a string functions which can help me to resolve this issue, to fix this issue. So in the find string, what we can do, we have here find string which helps us to get the comma separated value here. So the character expression is nothing but I'm going to replace with the actual column name, and the string we are looking for the comma as a string and which occurrences, whether it's the first occurrence or second occurrences, like that. Okay. Okay, before this let me copy that and keep it in the solution file. Okay, so uh, what I need first part, that is nothing but uh, a I need in the column here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rename this as derived column underscore column 1. I'm going to add as a new column for that because we require 3 different columns here. So to these functions we can add as a substring. We have one more functions here. substring of character expressions. What is the expressions we are looking? We are just checking in this column start position. For first it's nothing but 1, and first occurrences, this gets us the till the uh, first occurrences, this gets us the position still 1 2 even including the comma, so I'm going to keep it as -1 here. So this gives me the first character A. So in the next character what I need, so I need from the only B. So what I'll do is I again use the same copy here. So here what I'm going to do, this is a string, okay, the starting position should be the first occurrences +1, okay. +1, and this should be, this is the first occurrence, and I'm going to replace with the second comma. So this would give me the positions of the second string. Because I don't want to display the string, so I'm giving as -1 here. So this is the second string. Similarly for the third one. Third one, what I need, I just need the, as you can see, second one till here we can get that. So how do we get the last one? So last one we can get easily by again using the substring column 1. I don't want this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get the find string of the second occurrences +1, because I don't want the comma separated, comma, I will use the length functions to get me the total length of that. So it gives me till the end of the string, okay. Okay, click OK. Now we had already had a table there, so the table is tbl load excel data from Rdb. So I'm going to drag and drop the OLEDB destination. Load excel data mapping. So how do you want to map this? Column 1. So I don't want to this, I will just want this is a column 1, this is a column 2, this is a column 3. Since I just have a couple of columns, I just want to ignore them. This is saying that it's a string data type. Go to the advanced editor. Change it to string here. Change this, click OK. just a warning, so don't worry about that. Meanwhile, let me show you how the data would be flowed from here. So I'm adding the data enabler here, data viewer, sorry. I just ran the package. So this is the source data what we had from the Excel, and this is the data we got it from the output of that Excel. So this is not what we wanted actually. We wanted B in the second column. So we are getting B comma C. So there's some mistake in this. Let me cross check with that. Okay. The same data will be loaded into the table here, but this is not what we expected there. So let me check with the data column one. So put it here. So what we're doing, we are getting a substring of column 1 here. Column 1 and the first occurrences plus 1. So it's going to start with the D. Until which character we need? Find string of the second occurrences. Comma -1. So it's giving us the entire thing. So this is giving us the length of that actually. So how much length we require? That's what this substring functions are using here. So if that's the case, so this is not what we wanted here usually. So what we're going to do, because this is giving the second position the length. So what the substring does, the substring, the syntax is the expressions what are going, the static positions, and how many length of characters it needs to be replaced. Since this is giving the length as a second position, so 1 2 3 4 it's giving 4 minus so it's starting at 4 minus 1 3 and the its starting position is the first occurrences, so it's giving 1 2 3. So until this entire character this all the characters has been loaded into this table. That's a mistake what we did here. So what we need to do here is second character, second occurrences minus this. So what now it would be, the second occurrences it would be at 4 minus the first occurrences second, 4 minus 2 would be 2, starting at 2, but we don't want this comma to be displayed. That's the reason what we do, we add 1 here. No, sorry, we have already added 1 here. So this 4 minus 2 would give us 2 characters of space, so we don't want that. So I'm going to add -1 here. So let me copy this and paste there. Okay, so I'm just saying and running it again. Now if you see this, we will get correctly A B C D E F G H I. Okay, So you can even cross check in the tables also. This is the first time what we did mistake, this is the second time. So this is not only, this is the only way, we can also do in the other ways also. Okay, for the first string we did this, for the second row we did this for second to derive second column, and for the third column we have applied the logic as this is the logic we applied for the third column. So if you say we have more than this, not only one character, we have like more characters here, so what we need to do, we can follow the same steps to get the results for you. Okay, suppose in a case where we have dynamically that's generating, at that scenarios I'll be explaining in the later sessions. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.